Hi, it's Tom from DLSI. Have you ever heard of the 5 R's of note-taking? These easy-to-remember steps will help you get the most out of your notes, whether you're in a lecture or doing course reading. Here are the 5 R's of note-taking. Number 1, record. Record all important information. This is where you write down anything important from the lecture or from your reading. You don't have to write down everything. Try to decide what's truly important. Use a notebook to record your notes. Number 2, reduce. Reduce your initial note to the key points. Cut out anything that isn't needed. Sometimes this can be hard to do in real time, so it's something that's easier to do later when you're able to focus on the information. This is also where you can transfer some of the important information to note cards. Number 3, recite. Recite the details from your notes, but don't recite the information word for word. Use your own words to explain what you've learned. Pretend that you're teaching the information to someone else. If you can teach the topic, then you truly know the information. Number 4, reflect. Reflect on the information. See if there are any gaps in your knowledge. If you have areas in your notes that you don't fully understand, look up the information in your lectures and reading. Fill in the gaps. Number 5, review. Review the information before you move on. Obviously, you should go through your notes before a quiz, but you'll also want to go through your notes before you start studying a new topic. You want to retain this information before you add to it, because when you move on to a new topic, you'll start the note-taking process all over again. Those are the 5 R's of note-taking: record, reduce, recite, reflect, and review. If you have any other tips for taking notes, put them in the comments below. Good luck and happy note-taking.